We are walking along the Greenway Trail in Statesville. A very nice trail. It's paved on this portion. This is the portion on the other side of the highway from my house. And it has a lot of noise from cars and trucks on the highway, but the boys have been locked up a lot, and it's been rainy a lot, so I decided to take them out and do a real quick video on some questions I got on my training video the other day. So let's start off with that. One of the things I didn't say in the training video is the collar, this chain collar. The training collar should be so that on the side that you're going to walk on, it goes through the loop and down, so that when you let go of it, it immediately drops. You see that? I pull it, but it drops, so it opens up immediately. That's it. The other thing I got a lot of questions about was, what is a good correction? And a good correction is quick and done. You don't hold and grab and pull. That's not a correction. That's a tug of war. So for any good dog, or even any bad dog, you have to teach it a good correction. Right? Okay. So this is how you do it. The leash is hanging down under his neck, and if he does something I don't like, I do this real fast. That's why you leave the hook there. That's why you leave the loop there. But it's fast and it's done. Now, if you've got a dog that pulls on the leash all the time, the only thing I can recommend is that when the dog's going one way, you go the other way, and give him a correction. Give him a firm correction that'll turn him around. You don't want to pick him up off the ground. You don't want to do anything really harmful, but just a quick, come on. And pretty soon, he'll start paying a lot of attention to you. And it may seem cruel or hard, but you know, it's short. You're not going to do it for weeks. You're going to do it a couple times, and if you do it good enough, your dog will suddenly become very attentive to you, because he will know that that leash means a correction. So take your time, train your dog. Heel. Here, heel, heel, good boy, here, here, he is such a puppy. Aquila! Down! Down! Come here! Down! No! Down! I had to say it a couple times. I had to impress him about it. But he did down. Now, really, if he was if he was really well trained, I could have done one voice and got him to go down. But he is a puppy, and he's out here with Dakota having a good time, so he's not going to go down on a one blow. But to get him to go down on command outside is really an important skill. So you can see, even with me, they don't work 100% of the time. And he's he's all excited to be out here running around. We haven't been out playing in a long time. And you got to expect that, especially in a 9-month-old puppy. He's really a puppy. He knows the commands, and if I threaten his life and pretend, he does them. But you really got to say that it's a lot of distraction to just be this much happy time with me, because I haven't spent much happy time with him. And your dog may be the same. So just keep working. Don't get disappointed. Don't get discouraged. It will come.